Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to a new video. Welcome to the That Snapchat Yellow C6 YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Tyler. I make car content. It's been a while, but I haven't disappeared completely. I do still exist. I did just want to stop in and say I have a few plans for the vet this year. I did just want to stop and make this video today. I really wanted to make it tomorrow because the weather here in North Carolina is supposed to be raining tomorrow, which will be Saturday. It's gonna be raining. I decided to go ahead and make the video today. I wanted to show you guys I did get some side marker lights for the C6. I like them a lot. I already installed them, but I will kind of go through and show you what you need to do to install them. Super easy. All you need is a screwdriver. That's it, guys. So hang tight. I am going to flip over to the car and I'll kind of show you the side marker lights, how they look. Then I will show you how to install them. Oh yeah, also just wanted to show, these are Morimoto side marker lights. There are multiple companies you can go with. I would recommend either Morimoto. I'm not sponsored by them, obviously, but either Morimoto or Vet Lights. And to be honest, after I ordered these, I looked at Vet Lights and it seemed like there's a better deal on Vet Lights. Supposedly these are a little bit better as far as fit, but I don't know, I haven't used both, but I know that these were around 200, and I think Vet Lights is either 80 or 100 bucks. I'll check and throw it in the video, but you can definitely go either way. I know Vet Lights makes good as well, and my hand's a little dirty, didn't work today. But also got some tires my buddy Jason Friedman gave me. I still have not put them on the vet, but tires are close to showing, so we'll have a burnout video soon, and I will throw these on the back. All right, so this shot won't be at night, but put them on here. You can see. So are the side marker lights. There's the front. Move around to the back. I definitely like them. I like the straight line. I know it's not curvy like the C6, but it kind of, I don't know, it just looks right. All right, so I'm going to start with the back, and I guess actually before that, if you're new to the channel, this is my 2009 C6 Corvette. Had it for just over 5 years now. And it looks pretty much exactly the same, but I do have a stage 2 blower cam with straight exhaust. I'll play a sound clip after. If you stick around at the end of this video, I'll play an idle clip so you can kind of hear how it sounds. But again, 2009 C6 Corvette. It's got a blower cam and forged rods and pistons. Hopefully we'll be putting a supercharger on it this year. We'll see what happens, but either way, I'm going to take it to the track, make some runs this year. So if you're interested in any of that, please hit the subscribe button. It always helps more than you know. But let's go ahead and get started on these rear tail lights. All right, guys. First thing you're gonna want to do for the rears is grab a Torx. This is a T10. It's really easy. All you got to do is take out this tail light, and you can reach your arm in, and there's 2 tabs on the inside. I will show you that momentarily. So we'll get our Torx in here. Take this out. On C6s, there's literally just one screw holding in the rear tail lights. So that's kind of nice. Hopefully there's not too much wind noise, guys. I'm not using a mic today. All right. So, pull it out like that. As you can see, you have access. You can see there's the actual side marker light. So you can sort of see it the way the lighting is. There's a tab at the back, and then there's a tab on this side. You actually want to squeeze them outward. So you want to take your hands in and push them out that way to get it out. I'm gonna try it here. I kind of got big hands, so this isn't the easiest for me. If you have small hands, it would be much easier. It's gonna kind of be impossible to show what I'm doing, but there's 2 tabs. I got my hand on one. You can either get one started by pushing on it very lightly. All right, I got one side done, and then I know you can't see it, but I'm just gonna push on the other side. As you can see, didn't mean for that to fall off. It's okay. As you can see, that's how you get the rears out. Everything's plug and play, super easy to do. And to get it back, as you can, there's what the tabs look like on the outside, so you can see them a little bit better. So you want to actually pull out like this way on each one of those, going opposite of each other. Get it in, just put it in there, push it in, and it'll lock in. Try to do it evenly if you can. There you go, it's locked in. Cool. And obviously all you have to do is put your tail light back in, put the screw in, you're good to go. All right guys, first thing you want to do for the front, or at least this is what I did, is turn your wheel to the left or the right if you're on the left side of the car. To the left if you're on the right side of the car, which we are. Obviously you want to turn your wheel to the left. Honestly guys, it's literally the exact same as the back. You're just going to want to pop out these little tabs here and they go back in. You can just undo like the top 4 from the bottom, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and that'll give you plenty enough room. Get in, the tabs are the exact same way on the front. So you pop that out, plug it in, pop it back in, put your fender liner back in, and you will be good to go. It's super easy guys. And like I said, I really like the look. I got the smoked side marker lights, and I do plan on putting some smoked rear tail lights in as well. I think it'll look good. And then we're gonna have to switch up the wheels. Although I know I've been rocking the stock wheels for 5 years, but I don't hate these wheels. Do not hate these wheels, they don't look bad. But guys, definitely stay tuned. I do plan on taking the car to the track this year. Said I'm gonna throw those radials on there and we're gonna go see what we can pull. And probably the 8th mile, because that's closest to my house. The nearest quarter-mile drag strip is like an hour. All right guys, like I promised, I'm gonna throw up a little idle video so you can hear my car if you're new, or if you just like the sound of a freaking cam C6 Vet, this is for you. Guys, we're gonna go on a little ride. I might have to scream a little bit, but that'll be okay. So I got some things I gotta work on this thing. First off, needs some spark plugs, which I might just do that today, I don't know, but probably want to make a video on it, so I might wait till next week. I have to work tomorrow, so I won't have a ton of time, and the weather's gonna be trash. But that's number one. I need some spark plugs, and then also need motor mounts. Even when I had the this motor put in, it needed motor mounts then. It definitely needs them now. I can still drive it though. It's not crazy terrible, but you might not be able to pick it up on camera, but I can certainly feel some extra vibration and rattles because of the motor mount. So that I plan on making a video for that as well. Man, what a freaking beautiful afternoon. I woke up, it was 30 degrees today. Now it's like 63, sunny. Freaking, it's a good place to be. Good place to be right here. Not gonna lie, I kind of do miss making videos and stuff. So again, if you're new, subscribe. There will be more content this year. I would be making another video tomorrow if the weather was good. I don't think I'm gonna be able to do it because it's supposed to be pretty bad. So, but good things coming, guys. Good things definitely coming. You know what? Let's take this thing on a little back road for a minute. get a couple little pulls in. It's been a while. Too many vibrations going on right now, but I'm telling you, sometimes, especially on the highway, I can tell. And at idle, there's one. You might be able to hear it, maybe not. But she needs motor mounts. Plus, she's getting up there, guys. She's got 142,000 miles on her now, so she's no spring chicken anymore. I bought it at 77,000 miles. All right, I'm gonna make a left turn here. And get down the road a little bit, and then we'll slow down and maybe get a light pull. I'm gonna open up the windows for this. Let me hear it. All right, let's get a little crack-a-lack. Hey y'all, I accidentally freaking cut the video a little bit. I accidentally locked my phone, but you got to see a little bit. So that's a sneak peek of more to come. We're gonna be at the track this year, so if you're new here again, hit that subscribe button, guys. I'm gonna be making more content. I'm not gonna go 7 months without uploading again. We're back.